Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this blue right triangle CAD along with this angle bisector CE, as you can see in this given diagram. In other words, this angle ACE is theta. This other angle DC is theta as well. And moreover, this segment AE is 4 units. Whereas the segment ED is 5 units, and furthermore AB is perpendicular to this side CD. And now our task is to find the value of this length AB. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this right triangle CAD. We know this side length of this triangle is going to be 4 plus 5 is going to make 9 units. And now our task is to calculate this side AC and this hypotenuse CD as well. And now let's recall the angle bisector theorem. As you can see in this given diagram, we got a triangle ABC along with this angle bisector BD, such that this segment AD is being represented by X, this segment CD is being represented by Y, and moreover this side AB is lowercase a, and this side BC is lowercase b. Then we can write this one as a proportion. In other words, the ratio of A and B is going to be equal to the ratio of X and Y. And we are going to apply this theorem on this given problem. If I label this segment AE as lowercase x, this segment Y, this side lowercase a, and this hypotenuse b, then we are going to fill in the blanks in this proportion. Our side A is this AC length divided by CD length is going to be equal to 4 divided by 5. And now we can see we got this ratio equals to 4 divided by 5. So therefore we can write this AC side length as 4 times some constant k, and likewise CD is going to be equal to 5 times some constant k as well. And now our task is to find the value of this constant k. So thus our this side AC length is going to be 4 times some constant k, and this CD length is going to be 5 times some constant k as well. And now let's focus once again on this right triangle CAD, and we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is 5k, whereas our two other legs are 4k and 9. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got 4k whole square plus 9 square is going to be equal to 5 times k whole square. Let's simplify. So we can write 16k square plus 81 equals to 25 times k square. Let's subtract 16k square from both sides. This is gone. And if we subtract this one, that is going to give us 9k square is going to be equal to 81. Let's divide both sides by 9. 9 and 9 is gone. K square turns out to be equal to 9. And now I'm going to undo this square by taking a square root on both sides. So therefore our constant k value is going to be positive 3 units. So thus our constant k value turns out to be 3, and we are going to substitute that k value over here. So therefore this side is going to become 4 times 3 is going to give us 12 units, and likewise this side is going to be 5 times k value is 3, that is going to give us 15. So thus our side AC length turns out to be 12, and this hypotenuse CD length is 15. And now we are going to calculate the area of this triangle CAD. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And in our case, this side is the base of this triangle, whereas this side is the height of this triangle. So thus our base is going to be 9 and the height is going to be 12 units. So therefore the area of this triangle CAD is going to be a half times base is 9 times height is 12. So if we simplify the right hand side, that is going to give us 54 square units. So thus the area of this triangle CAD turns out to be 54 square units. And here's our next step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this very same triangle CAD in a different way. This time let's assume that this is the base of this triangle CAD, whereas this perpendicular AB is going to be the height of this triangle as well. And we can see our base is 15. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula once again. Area equals to a half times base times the height. So therefore the triangle CAD area is going to be a half times our base is 15 and our height is this perpendicular AB length. But we know that our triangle CAD area is 54. So I'm going to substitute that value 54 over here. So therefore we can write 54 equals to, this thing is simply is going to become 15 divided by 2 times AB length. And now I am going to multiply with the reciprocal of 15 divided by 2. That's going to be 2 divided by 15. And likewise, I'm going to multiply on the left hand side by 2 divided by 15 as well. And here on the right hand side, this 15 and 15 is gone. 2 and 2 is gone as well. So therefore, our AB length is going to be equal to, if we multiply and simplify, that is going to give us 7.2 units. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, our AB length turns out to be 7.2 units. In other words, this side AB is going to be 7.2 units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.